Hi! In front of me is tablet NAVITEL T787 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Photos app. Then just click on, for example, on device. Select one of your folders and hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to select all of them right away, just click on this dot at the top left corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully selected. If you wish to delete them, tap on this bin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then tap on Move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!